viewers and lovers of mathematics. I am tutor Sokoli. In today's evening class, what we have is an exponential Olympiad mass, and it is given that if x raised to the power 3 plus x is equal to 10, then what should be the value of x? Kindly subscribe to my channel tutor Sokoli and also watch till the end. We dive in. Solution to the given question. It is given that x to the power of 3 plus x is equal to 10. The first step is to move 10 from the right to the left, and that will give me x raised to the power 3 plus x minus 10 is equal to 0. You see, I can write 10 as x raised to the power 3 plus x, then 10 can be written as, just minus 10 can be written as minus 8 minus 2 equal to 0. Why I use minus 8 minus 2 is because from minus 8 I can get a number in cube form that can give me 8. That means I can move this 8 to the front to have 8 x raised to the power 3 minus 8, then plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Remember my target why I use minus 8 minus 2 to represent my 10 is because I want to form a number raised to the power 3 from 8, which is possible. Therefore, 8 is equal to 2 to the power of 3. Therefore, I can now write minus 8 as minus 2 to the power of 3, then plus x minus 2 equal to 0. I have not made use of that 8. And that is the reason why I expressed my minus 8 10 as minus 8 minus 2. Alright. Looking at it now, you can see I have x to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 3, then plus x minus 2 equal to 0. But note that if I give you a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3, it is equal to a minus b multiplying a squared plus ab then plus b squared. Okay? When you multiply these two brackets, you get exactly a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3. Therefore, I am going to express x to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 3 as following this law, okay, as x minus 2 into x squared plus 2x then plus 2 squared. All right, this is what I'm going to use to replace x to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 3. And when that happens, this is what the result will be now. Therefore, I will have x to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 3 represented as x minus 2 into x squared plus 2x then plus 4. And that 4 is 2 to the power of 2. Alright, then I close the bracket. Left with me here is plus x minus 2, everything equal to 0. What have I done? I have replaced x to the power of 3 minus x minus 2 to the power of 3 with what? X minus 2 into x squared plus 2x plus 4. The whole of this is just x to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 3. Then, what is left is written down. Okay, now if you look at it very well, I have x minus 2 here by the left hand side, and I also have x minus 2 by the right hand side of the expression. Of course, all by the left. Therefore, I will factor it, which is common. And when it is factored, what I will have inside is x squared plus 2x plus 4. Left here, we now do plus 1. Everything now will be equal to 0. You see, when I move this outside, what will be left is 1. So that when I use this to multiply that 1, it gives me back x minus 2. Very beautiful. Remember to subscribe to my channel, please. Now, moving forward, this is going to be x minus 2 into x squared plus 2x. This and this will give me plus 5 equal to 0. At this point, the first bracket, x minus 2 is equal to 0, meaning that x is equal to 2. I have gotten the first value of x, that is real, the real value of x. Now, from the second bracket, x squared plus 2x plus 5 equal to 0. My interest here is just the real values, okay? So I have to find out from this quadratic equation if the values of x are going to be real or complex. And if it is complex, we reject it. And if it is real, we take it. So how do we then check if it is real or complex? What it means is that I am going to make use of data equal to the square root of b squared minus 4ac. And what is a here? A is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 5. I'll replace it into this data formula to see if it is going to give me a real value. What it means is that if the data is less than 0, the value of data is less than 0, then that will be complex, okay? But if the value of data is greater than 0, it will give us real value. Therefore, we try to find out if this is going to be a real value. And if it is going to be a real value, we use any of the methods of quadratic equation in finding values of x from this quadratic equation, in addition to the value of x which you have already gotten as equal to 2. Mathematics is life. Okay, so moving forward, delta therefore is going to be the square root of b squared, and the value of b here is 2. So that is 2 squared equal to 4 minus 4ac, which is 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by c, which is 5. C is 5 and the a is 1. So this is now going to be the square root of 4 minus 20. And that will be the square root of minus 16. Therefore, we say that data is less than 0. So it is complex and therefore should be rejected. Rejected. Now, in conclusion, the value of x is equal to 2. A quick one, less than a minute. Check result. Check result. We are given that x to the power of 3 plus x is equal to 0. So if the x is 2, that is 2 to the power of 3 plus 2. Will it be equal to 10? Please, this is 10. I beg your pardon. Will this be equal to 10? Will it be equal to 10 when I solve it? Okay? Therefore, this 2 raised to the power 3 is 8 plus 2. Will this be equal to 10? Yes. 10 is equal to 10. Proved. In that case, the value of x is equal to 2. Thank you, dear friends and viewers, for watching to the end. Do subscribe and may God bless you.